So this is a 2019 Toyota Corolla with the 1.8 liter engine that I'm working on, and they all seem to have a common problem with the control arm bushings squeaking, and they squeak when going over bumps. So usually when you place a pry bar, I'm just using a small pry bar at the moment. When you push up or down, it'll make a squeaking noise. They should not make a squeaking noise, or anything should not make any noise at all. It should be quiet. This is the passenger side front, the right front, and this is the driver's side, the left front. This one is squeaking a lot more than the right front. So it all seems like these generation Corollas have the same problem, because there is one other vehicle that I usually work on. It's a 2017. This one is a 2019, and they all have the same problem with the control arm bushings squeaking when going over bumps. So just for a reference, my family, they all drive Toyota Corollas, so we are a Corolla fan. And so just for reference, I checked the 2005 and the 2010 Corolla control arm bushings, and they don't make any noise at all. And I've also checked a 2012 or 2012 Corolla, and it's the same. They don't make any noise at all. It's only these generation Corollas that have this problem. So there's one family member that has a 2017. It's making the same noise as this 2019 Corolla. So that's how I know that that these are common.